Hi guys, so today I will be talking about the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. This is just a 2-pack and it just says 50% stronger for heavy duty cleaning. It just says contains 2 disposable household cleaning pads, 11.8 times 6.1 times 1.9 centimeters, and then it gives it in inches. So in inches it's just 4.6 times 2.4 times 0.74 inches each. And over here it just says extra power. And then if you turn it around, guys, this is my favorite part about this because I'm going to get into it a little bit later about how this honestly works, but just to explain it a little bit, it just says more powerful to easily cut through even tougher soils just to add water. So it says texture for cleaning, and it says contoured shape for comfort. And it just says how to use, wet, and then erase, and then when to toss. You see how it's new right there, and then many uses over time. So just basically toss it when it looks like that, because that's... And then, yeah, it just says great for bathroom, kitchen, living room, outside. Also try it on, and it just says where to also try it on at. And then yeah, it just says caution, and then just gives a warning. But yes, this is the magic eraser, like I have said many times. But getting started on this product, I recently have really been into like cleaning my house a lot, and not that like that I haven't been cleaning my house before, but just as recently I start paying attention to how important it is to honestly like really clean your house, like really get in deep into like the crevices of where you need to be like cleaning and everything like that. And so just as of recently, like I have been looking for all types of solutions and things like that that go into really making your house clean. And so I am like a Pinterest person, and for some reason, I don't know, I just decided to go on Pinterest and stuff like that, and I saw some ideas there. But I feel like you never can beat calling your mom, and I'll live by that as long as my mom is still alive, and may she have many more years on this earth. But I definitely call up my mom for everything. And yeah, like I definitely call up my mom, and I called her and I was just like, you know what, like I'm trying to get a good clean, deep clean my house, and I just need some advice. And so she was like, just go get a Mr. Clean. And I was like, a Mr. Clean? And she was like, yeah. She's like, honestly, she's like, you won't regret it. And she's like, seeing the way you clean, I know you don't want to be dealing with a bunch of different products. So she was like, you know, if you just wet the Mr. Clean a little bit, the magic eraser, she was like, it'll do you just fine. So I was just like, okay, whatever, I'll get the Mr. Clean. And so I ended up purchasing this, and I ended up getting a bunch of 2-packs because the first time I went, I just got one 2-pack, and then I liked it. I just wanted to try it out the first time. Then obviously I continue to keep going back to this brand, so I ended up getting a bunch of these 2-packs. The reason why I buy them in such small packages is just because on the back, guys, where it was like, this is when you're not using them anymore. Like right now, it's only me living in an apartment, so I live by myself currently, and so I'm not gonna need a bunch. It'd be different if I was like buying these for like multiple roommates and stuff like that, but I honestly don't need a bunch of these. Just like a couple will keep me like really going. And actually the ones that I got was probably an overkill, because honestly one of these will at least last me about 3 weeks to a month. So it just depends on what you're cleaning them with. But honestly, I use this in my bathroom. It works so well. And like I said, the usage really, like, it depends on you. So like I noticed that my magic erasers will get like worn out really fast, especially when I use it in the bathroom. And that's kind of like the part where like I kind of scrub the most and really get down to the nitty gritty in there. Bathroom is the place where like I really get it going when it comes to cleaning. So I noticed then that it kind of like takes a long time for me to basically like, it takes a short amount of time for this like magic eraser to get used. So I think I'm like twisting my words, guys, but like I use my magic eraser quicker when I use it in the bathroom. When I use it in the kitchen, it kind of lasts me a long time, like a month and a half almost. And that's because when I use it in the kitchen, I clean my kitchen like once every week. So it's not as often as I clean my bathroom. I go into my bathroom like every 2 days and clean, because don't know what chemicals you're collecting in your bathroom. And I feel like the bathroom is some place where you need to keep cleaning. But yeah, like this honestly has been such a lifesaver for me. I couldn't even imagine what I would do without it. It really gets in crevices. It really, just with water, guys, like not even any cleaning supplies, any cleaning tools or anything, only with water. Like only with water, like it just really does everything it's supposed to do. And I honestly like, I can't even describe it. It's one of the most amazing products that I've used. And yeah, I definitely suggest this. This is not expensive at all, especially for what it does. And I'm just gonna show you guys. So this is just what they look like. And you literally just wet it and it works good as new. But like I said before, guys, these are just the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser 50% Stronger for heavy duty cleaning.